Hello everyone, Brian Taylor here from Colorado Mountain College. Here's a quick video demonstration on how to access Basecamp, Canvas, and our online hybrid material. So the first thing you want to do, make sure you have a high-speed internet access. Then we're going to log on to Colorado Mountain College's home page. I've got mine bookmarked up here, coloradomtn.edu. I'm going to click on that. This will bring you to the Basecamp page. Now you may be asked to log on to that if you haven't accessed this page before. You should have received an email with your information to log on. If not, there'll be a number that you can call for help. Now that you're on the home screen, we click on the Basecamp here at the top of the page, and this is how you access Canvas. So now you just scroll down the page. Okay, and then you can see here under My CMC Apps, you're going to have Canvas. You're going to click on Canvas, and then once again, you may be able to log on, but I don't think you need to anymore since you've already logged on to Basecamp. So once you do this, you're going to see all your classes here. So we'll do the survival skills. Now you can click on the survival skills, okay, and then on all of our courses, you'll have a home page here, which will give you the basic information on the home page. At the bottom of this first page will be like the itinerary of the course with the general flow of the course and the major assignments. So you can either click on here to start accessing the modules to go through, or you can also come over here to the side tab and click on the modules. And to me, that's the easiest way to make your way through the course. So here you can see course logistics and expectations, an agreement that you just need to acknowledge. And then down here is the liability waivers and the health questionnaires that you need to fill out. And we've got this set up that you need to do the waivers and the questionnaires before you access the e-course, because this is really important for us to get this early to make sure that we can check out your medical screening, that you're going to be good to go for our course. So for example, just click on up here at the very start, and I apologize, I'm in my instructor view. I don't have this in student view. Let me just click on that so it'll look like what it does for you here. So here we are again at the home page. Let's go to that first module, agreement to course locations. So yeah, just read through this. I understand all the the dates and the locations about the course. Once you do this, you'll make your way through the modules. Here's the standard liability waiver and release form. You'll click on this, and this will get downloaded. So now you're going to come in here, and you're just going to fill out, all the information. You're going to put your initials in here. Okay, you're going to date it. You'll come over and you'll sign this. Oops, that's not the signature. Over here on the right-hand side, see the fill and sign. So you can click on that and sign. You come down here, grab my signature, boom, put that in place. Okay, and then you can save this document to your desktop or something, wherever you like. So I just saved that. Let me make sure, where did I save that? Save as to my desktop. Brian Med Release. So I can do that. Save. And remember, if you don't have this PDF Adobe form, we have all these for you at CMC. And as a CMC student, you get free access to all this. So you can just download it. If you need to learn how to do that, you can call the help desk. But you guys have access to Office 365. So you get all the cool programs to help you out. Okay, let me go back here to... let me X this out of the way, close all tabs. So then you can submit an assignment. So once you have this all filled out, you come up here, you press submit assignment, come down here, I'm going to choose the file, and then go to my my desktop. Where's my desktop here? Okay, and then here's my med release form, so I choose that. So now you can see it right here, and I'll just submit the assignment. You can put some comments right here. So pretty easy to do that. And then, like I said, just keep on working your way through these modules. So you'll do the health questionnaire, the medical release, um, and then once you've done that, you can now access the online course that I've got set up. So to do that, you just click on this link here for the Wild Guide. This will bring you to my home page where if you're a WEMS student or an outdoor education student, we'll have several of the courses here. So now you can just click on this to enroll in the course. For the mountain survival course, it's a $10 fee for this. So yeah, you'll click on that and pay, and then you'll have access to the e-course. Oops, let me sign in here real quick. So this e-course, you're just going to work your way through the modules in a chronological order. And we've got some assignments on there for you. Here's the mountain survival one. Let me click on that. Okay, so here's the course loading up here for you. So on the left-hand side, you can see here's all the different chapters. So, here's how to use the manual. Here's the introductory chapter with the course objectives for the course. And then you're just going to come down here, to chapter 1, get started. So you'll click on the survival mindset, and you'll read through this. Here's the chapter objectives. This is the really important stuff. Read through this, check it out. And you'll just kind of work your way through all the chapters. When you're done with this chapter, click next, and then it'll mark off that you've gone through that chapter, that you're done with it. You'll make your way through all these, and then periodically, you'll see some little quizzes in here or some assignments to take. So make sure you go through this whole hybrid online course before the field date, because this is certainly a big portion of your grade, usually like 20, 30, 40%. If you have any questions on this, give me a call or email me. I think you'll really like this platform and this experience. I'm super excited to work with you guys. So have fun going through all the material, and I look forward to training with you guys in the field. We'll see you soon. Bye.